without the cooperation of your group, as well as the impact of the class officers, all these things will not be possible. Kaya all the commendation will be added to your class officers, likewise with you sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.
First, congratulations to those who were upcomers natin. Congratulations first. I also aspire to become to be part of the top 10. Kaso lang, if I am not mistaken, nandun lang ako sa 15. Pero di ba rin sana naging mobile na ako. Hindi kasi kami nag-vlogging mobile ni Vice sa kanya Robles. Ayun, si Vice nagtatrabaho pa rin kasama na Imam Robles. Ayun! Anyway, classmate, if I am not mistaken again, gusto ko lang pasalamatan kayo kasi twice